Now we're going to go through some of our mode options in our drop-down menu bar. If we look over here, you can see that under Image in our menu bar, we can drop down and go to Mode, and right here it'll open up another window. And it says bitmap, grayscale, index color, blah blah blah, all the way down. Now you can change your photos to however you want them to be, to whatever you want to do. So if you want to go to grayscale, you can hit this and it says discard color information. Go ahead and hit discard. And there we are. We're in a nice black and white photo now. Quickest, easiest way to do it. So if we click back on our history, we can come back up here and hit mode. And usually the main part for this is to understand your RGB versus your CMYK. And if you're going to go to print, you're going to want to make sure that your CMYK is open or chosen, because the information here is really going to affect how your printer reacts to the photo. And especially when it comes to shades of black. Black is very important between your RGB and your CMYK. Also lab color and multi-channel, 8-bit, 16 bits, all the way down. So as you can see, you have many different options and to adjust your picture. Before you even get started on it, these will define your picture and how you're going to use it, whether in web design or whether it goes to the printer. So play around with it, have fun, and enjoy.